Hello, this video today will teach you how to make a folded brim for a hat or a stocking. I like to do a folded brim on my stockings. It makes them look really polished. And so I've knit all the rows for my brim, and I just have a couple stitches here to finish until I get to my row marker. So I've moved my marker over to the right hand needle, and then it's time to start knitting the brim together. So I'm going to insert my needle through the first stitch on the left hand needle, and then find that first stitch from the cast on edge and put it on the needle also. And then I knit both of those and just bring the yarn through to the front and let it come off the needle. For the next one, it's the same process, and you're going to do this all the way around until you've knitted the entire brim and it's completely folded in half. Okay, so I find that next stitch, and I try to get the front edge of it that's going to be facing out under that V and knit it. You just keep going until you've completed the entire round. And the cast on edge is going to end up being on the inside of the work, so this row will be hidden in the back, and then your front will just be a nice kind of rounded off edge, and you won't have any raw edges left over. And it also keeps the top of the stocking from rolling. If you just left the cast on edge as the top, that would tend to roll out towards the front of the stocking. Just make sure you aren't skipping any stitches. There should end up being one stitch for each of the stitches that are on your needles. If you skip one, you just end up with a puckered spot. You can see I'm getting close to the end of my round here. I just have a few more stitches left of the folded brim. So I'm going to do these last few stitches, and it does start to get a little bit tight as you're trying to stretch these around, but just keep putting it in that next stitch and then gently bring it to the front. Last stitch. Gotta find it in there. There you go, is your folded brim. And this tail can be woven in once you've got some more rows. I like to weave it in down below. Just makes a nice looking finished edge for your stocking projects. Thanks for watching.